Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi naming bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon. Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta, pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi naming bitbit. Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kampeon ng Oragon. Ang lakas sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi naming bitbit.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi naming bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo.
Good afternoon or good evening, Bicolandia. Nandito na po tayo sa ating ikatlong laro ngayong Sabado. Ito po ang matchup ng ATENEO Golden Knights versus CARCIDO Mothers. And we are your commentators. I am Christina Canzo Reyes and with me is Jasper Abante.
Yes, Tin, this is our third game for this Saturday, and it will be the ATENEO Naga Golden Knights and of course our CARCIDO Motors for our third game this Saturday. Ayan yung ating second game nga, yung ACLC Think Pro Hawks and the Safe Just Star Masters. Nanalo po doon yung ating Safe Just Star Masters by default because hindi po sumipot or kulang yung players ng ating ACLC Think Pro Hawks. But we are now moving on to our third game this Saturday. Once again, it will be the ATENEO Naga Golden Knights and the CARCIDO Motors having the same standing with 2 wins and 2 losses. So this will be the 5th stretch of Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1. So isa lang din yung mag-uwi sa kanila ng panalo for our third game this Saturday. And of course, isa naman yung madadagdagan yung talo for both of these teams.
And of course, CARCIDO Motors, nakuha nga po nila yung kanilang pagkatalo doon sa ating number 1 na team dito sa Oragon Basketball League, which is JB Hort. But at the same time, it was a good game between these two teams. Kaya ngayong gabing ito, ano kaya ipapakita ng CARCIDO Motors para masungkit yung panalo ngayong gabing ito? Dahil kung makikita natin yung performance ng CARCIDO Motors, Jasper, napakaganda po talaga. We have Dilata, Buena Obra, the rest of the players of CARCIDO Motors na talagang binibigay yung kanilang best. Kaya ngayong gabing ito, aabangan natin kung makukuha nga ba nila ang kanilang ikatlong panalo. Kaya abangan din natin kung paano mag-step up yung kanilang mga players.
And of course, then, on the side of the Golden Knights, na kapanayam naman natin last time yung kanilang best player, which is Mon Aureliano, na talagang mananatili silang gutom sa panalo. So magandang laban po yung nag-aabang sa atin for this third game this Saturday. And of course, stay tuned dahil maya-maya lamang ay mag-start na tayo. And of course, dito lamang yan. Hatid sa inyo ng GNN TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Pero ng Oragon, ang lakas, puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging ating bibig.
Ano, maurad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging naming bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta. Pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging naming bitbit. Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go.
It's DJ Rolling.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and he ready for anybody to buck back. Hold on, catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicka slim shady with rabies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare get to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of bombing his high school. He's cool, he's not rap shit. Should a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit. This that I got.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies a future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi naming bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon. Oragon kami, handa sa laban.
why you the greatest alive. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and you ready for anybody to buck back? Gonna catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken, slim shady with rabies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of bombing his high school, he's cool, he's not rap shit. Should a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? This that I got.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Ano, morag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, ang respeto lagi naming bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon. Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at
It's DJ rolling.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive. Fuck rap, bustle like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and he ready for anybody to buck back. Gonna catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken, slim shady with rabies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of bombing his high school, he's cool, he's not rap shit. Can a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? This that I got.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies,
For the things I learned today.
College of Arts and Sciences,
My school is the best foundation to become what we
College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance,
will be, what we believe,
College of Business and Management, College of Engineering,
the future's in our hands.
College of Health Sciences,
The best is yet to come.
College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Oragon kami, handa sa laban. Lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kapero ng Oragon, ang puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging nating bibig.
Ano, maorag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kapero ng Oragon, sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto laging nating bigit. Sa bawat Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, ang respeto lagi naming bitbit.
And we are back again here for our third game. It is CARCIDO Motors versus ATENEO Golden Knights. At ngayong gabing ito, malalaman natin kung ano nga bang preparation ang ginawa ng ATENEO Golden Knights para sa larong ito. At para makarinig tayo ng update, we have our courtside reporter, Zai. Hi Zai, ano update sa side ng ATENEO?
Maraming salamat Jasper and Tin at magandang gabi sa ating viewers live here on OBL's official Facebook page and GNN TV 48 Naga. It's a chilly evening tonight pero mukhang makakaramdam tayo ng dire-diretsyong init sa bakbakan natin ngayong gabi. We have the CARCIDO Motors versus the ATENEO Golden Knights. As of now, we're just starting the game kaya medyo nangangapa pa ang ating Knights sa anong klaseng play ba ang gagampanan nila. But as you all know, the Golden Knights are known to be heavy on their defenses. But the CARCIDO are also known for their forceful offenses. Kaya sit back muna tayo for the next few minutes at sabay-sabay natin panoorin how will this game unfold. This is MARIANO from the side of the ATENEO Golden Knights live here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Jasper and Tin.
Thank you so much, Zai. On the side of the ATENEO Naga Golden Knights, ayun ang atin, narinig natin. Napakagandang laban ang naghihintay sa atin for the third game this Saturday because alam naman natin na itong ating CARCIDO Motors sumasali sa iba't ibang commercial leagues, making them veteran pagdating sa hard court. Pero kilala rin natin itong ATENEO Naga Golden Knights. Hindi basta-basta bumibitaw at talagang may mga napatunayan na rin. So magandang bakbakan, magandang tapatan na naman ang matutunghayan natin. Well, lagi naman din, no, we promise to deliver top-tier basketball actions for Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1. At this time, let's hear an update on the side of the CARCIDO Motors. Nandyan ang kanilang courtside reporter na si Casey. Casey, anong update natin dyan?
Marhay na banggi, Oragons! We are back for another game para sa ikalimang linggo ng Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup 2025. This is Casey Anchoquia bringing exclusive updates on the side of CARCIDO Motors. After the recent loss against the JB Hart last Saturday, the team is determined to reclaim their glory. According to Coach Roden, the team is looking forward to sustain their defense system all throughout the game, lalo pat aniya doon sila nagkukulang as the game progresses. At dagdag pa niya, he wants his players to enjoy the game rather than letting their emotions take over, knowing that a composed mindset will be the key to securing the win. With both teams holding the same record, this game will be the ultimate test of who can rise above the challenge. Kaya tutok lamang dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Casey. Ayan nga, itong CARCIDO Motors, sabi nga dito ng ating courtside reporter na si Casey, magfo-focus sila dun sa kanilang depensa na naging problema nila during that matchup against JB Hart, na napakaganda ng performance na pinakita nila during the first half. But then again, dun sa ating second half, doon na sila naungusad itong JB Hart. So now, this is their game. Ito na yung pinaghandaan ng CARCIDO Motors to reclaim their win this evening against ATENEO Golden Knights. At nasabi nga dito ni Casey na kailangan nilang baguhin yung kanilang CARCIDO Motors ay gagawin nila ngayon sa laban against ATENEO. Go this intense matchup of ATENEO, the Naga University Golden Knights and CARCIDO Motors. At of course, nakita naman natin yung last game itong ating dalawang kupunan kung saan nga napakaganda ng performance na pinakita nila. So this is an exciting one dahil yung mga key players from the side of CARCIDO Motors, we have two Caroche on the side of CARCIDO Motors, Relata, Buena Obra, the rest of the players on their team. And also, dito sa side ng ATENEO Golden Knights, syempre, andyan yung palaging naging best player of the game, Mon Arellano, we have Magno, we have Domingo, and the rest of the players of ATENEO Golden Knights. At nasabi nga dito, with the same standing, 2 wins and 2 losses, ang tataya para makakuha ng kanilang pangatlong panalo.
Well, of course din, isa lang yung mag-uuwi ng panalo for our third game this Saturday. Will it be the ATENEO Naga Golden Knights or the CARCIDO Motors as we begin for the tip-off? Sino kaya ang makakakuha ng first ball possession and of course first chance to draw their first blood dito sa ating first quarter. Now, the tip-off is for the ATENEO Naga Golden Knights. Now, Monay on the outside to Mon Aureliano. And now, Fulgar. Last time, kung maalala natin, Fulgar did not play on the side of the Golden Knights. But this time, he is in. Isa ring defensive player ng Golden Knights. But this time, it's the ball possession of the CARCIDO Motors.
Now let's see here, Relata. First quarter pa lang, pinasok natin itong si Relata, one of the key players of CARCIDO Motors. Now going inside, pass to his teammate. Now 5 seconds to shoot here, Caroche Carlo. Now going up against, naubusan na nga ng 24-second shot clock dito sa side, but Relata was there for their offensive rebound. Another opportunity here for the first basket of CARCIDO, no good. Now ATENEO Golden Knights, opportunity para buksan yung kanilang basket dito sa kanilang side. Arellano, no good. Now, CARCIDO Motors looking for their first basket here. Carlo passes here to another Caroche for a 3-pointer. Still no good. Medyo malamig pa yung kamay nitong ating dalawang kupunan na ito. And kitang-kita din naman natin sa depensa ng ATENEO and CARCIDO Motors na talagang pinaghandaan nila yung kanilang mga katunggali sa araw na ito. Now, CARCIDO on the offense side. Relata, heavily guarded here. Pass to Carlo. Now to his teammate, jersey number 18. Hindi pa namubuksan yung ating mga basket dito para sa dalawang kupunan.
Now, Mon Aureliano for the ATENEO Naga Golden Knights. Almost an alley-oop play here for Madridano, but Fulgar drawing that first blood on the side of the ATENEO Naga Golden Knights. Now, anong gagawin ngayon dito ng CARCIDO Motors? No. Carlo Caroche on the outside, well guarded here by Monay.
14 seconds to shoot here. Carlo, pass to Joseph. Now, jersey number 18, 7 seconds to shoot here. Joseph again with the ball. Wala pa rin basket para dito sa CARCIDO. And naubusan na nga ng 24 seconds sa side ng CARCIDO Motors. Eh kung kanina, ito yung sinasabi dito sa side ng CARCIDO Motors ni Coach Reden na kailangan nilang paigtingin yung kanilang depensa kasi dito sila nagkulang during their last matchup against JB Hart. But this time, nakikita natin yung ATENEO Golden Knights yung nagsistep up for their defense. So kailangan tapatan ng CARCIDO Motors knowing that they have the same stage or same spot para dito sa ating Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup. Now, Fulgar on the free throw line at papasok yung kanya unang free throw. Yung 3 puntos dyan sa scoreboard ng ATENEO ay galing kay Fulgar para dito sa ating first quarter.
Well, kung mapapansin natin, 2 beses nang naubusan ng 24 seconds shot clock itong ating CARCIDO Motors. Nakikita natin kung gaano kahigpit yung depensang pinapakita dito ng ating ATENEO Naga Golden Knights. And as we can see, they are doing this full court man-to-man trapping with Carlo Caroche on the outside. Now to jersey number 19. Still Caroche, but still coming here from jersey number 7, Madridano. And now to Monay on the corner. Mona Aureliano, alley-oop play was good on the side of the Golden Knights. 6-0 run ang kanilang ginagawa dito, courtesy of jersey number 7, Madridano. And this time, Relata for the CARCIDO Motors. Caroche on the outside, passing it to
Now I think, Jasper, parang for the first time yung CARCIDO Motors medyo nahihirapan dito pumuntos dito sa ating laban against ATENEO Golden Knights. At talagang napakaganda nung naging game plan dito ni Coach Nuki, dahil nahihirapan, kitang-kita na nahihirapan muna itong CARCIDO Motors sa depensang ipinapakita ng ATENEO Golden Knights. But this is just the start. Let's see if makukuha na nga ba ng CARCIDO Motors yung kanilang unang puntos bago pa man mga lahati itong ating unang quarter. Now, Carlo Caroche with 10 seconds to shoot here. Now, konting segundo na lamang para sa kanilang kupunan. Carlo releases, no good. ATENEO on the offense.
Mona Aureliano will guarded here by Relata. Now ATENEO Golden Knights, full guard, diretso, and finish it with a finger roll. 8-0 run, mapapatawag na nga dito ng timeout itong si Coach Reden Carillo of the CARCIDO Motors. Let's take a look at our instant replay with Fulgar spinning and scoring on that shot. Hatid sa atin yan ng Anjana Trading and of course Safe Gasoline. Napakagandang paunang 4 minutes and 40 seconds nitong ating
ATENEO Golden Knights, dahil nga nag-uumpisa pa lang talagang binakbakan na agad nila itong CARCIDO Motors. And napakaganda dahil maya-maya baka pagkatapos lang ng timeout na to, yung CARCIDO Motors umarangkada na din. So maganda na simulan na ng ATENEO Golden Knights yung kanilang magandang momentum dito. Maganda sa kanilang kupunan na ngayon pa lang nakikita na nila kung ano nga ba yung kayang gawin ng CARCIDO Motors. At ngayon nakikita din natin na yung depensa ng ATENEO Golden Knights talagang pinaigtig nila. So ito yung kailangan yun ng CARCIDO Motors after this timeout to get their first basket. Kasi medyo may hirapan na sila kapag mas lumaki pa yung kalamangan na nagagawa dito ng ATENEO Golden Knights. So let's see, ano nga ba yung plinano dito ni Coach Reden para sa CARCIDO Motors to get their first basket, as CARCIDO Motors with this ball possession. Now, Carlo Caroche with this ball, heavily guarded here by Mon Arellano. Now, talagang nasabi mo nga kanina, Jasper, 2 beses na ubusan ng shot clock itong CARCIDO Motors. Maganda yung depensa ng ATENEO Golden Knights dito. And with that 7 seconds, ball possession pa rin po yan ng CARCIDO Motors. But let's see, dahil hindi sila masyadong makagalaw sa depensa ng ATENEO. Now, Joseph Caroche releases a 3, in and out basket.
ATENEO Dinaga Golden Knights, Valia on the outside. Now, Monay, pull-up jumper, no good on that shot, but Madridano, masasabayan nga yan ng foul, and 2 free throws will be given to Madridano on the side of the ATENEO Dinaga Golden Knights. 5 minutes and 43 seconds remaining, and I think ito na yung pinakamalaking run ng ATENEO Dinaga Golden Knights na nagawa for our Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1. Grabe. Making it 9-0 run na veterans yung kanilang kalaban. CARCIDO Motors facing commercial leagues since then. So let's take a look at this dahil magandang bawi for sure yung plinano nitong ating CARCIDO Motors.
And also, Jasper, maganda kasi yung start ng CARCIDO Motors dito sa Oragon Basketball League. Isa sila doon sa nakita natin na malalakas na kupunan dito. And now, seeing their performance, meron pang maipapalabas itong CARCIDO Motors. But as we can see right now, ATENEO Golden Knights dire-diretso lang doon sa kanilang magandang momentum. And now, anong gagawin ng CARCIDO Motors? Because we're almost halfway through our first quarter, but still no basket on their side. At ngayon, kuhanan nga ng bola dito ni Mon Arellano ang kupunan ng CARCIDO Motors, dire-diretso, but no good. Lost opportunity for ATENEO side, but still, this is 11-0. Nothing run para sa CARCIDO Motors. Now, we're just waiting kung ano nga ba yung gagawin dito ng CARCIDO Motors para matikman yung kanilang unang basket sa larong ito.
And now a couple of substitutions for both of these teams. Mac Tripolka is in for the Golden Knights and also Plaza. Mendones naman on the side of the CARCIDO Motors. Now, Manrique for the CARCIDO Motors. Now, matatawagan nga dyan ng traveling violation. I mean a foul coming from Mon Aureliano of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights.
Now, CARCIDO Motors reshuffling their players here para tingnan kung sino nga ba yung may mainit na kamay dito at para makakuha na ng unang puntos para sa kanilang kupunan. But another foul was whistled here. Tatawagan dito ng foul si Plaza naman. That is their fourth personal foul or fourth team foul on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. Now, Relata to inbound. Let's see, with 14 seconds to shoot here, makikita mo talaga yung ipinapakitang depensa dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights. CARCIDO Motors veterans nahihirapan. Relata loses that ball. And now, an opportunity for Ateneo Golden Knights. Pero andyan si jersey number 10 to snatch that ball. Now, an opportunity again. Relata goes inside, passes to Manrique. And that is the first basket for CARCIDO Motors. We've waited so long para makuha ng CARCIDO Motors yung kanilang unang puntos sa first quarter.
At doon na nga natigilan din itong ating CARCIDO Motors. Pagdugo nila doon, they're bleeding. Has already stopped, pero agad namang dadagdagan ng 3 puntos yung kalamangan ng kanilang kupunan. Abra saldo for the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. And now CARCIDO Motors with Baao. Now, a wrong pass here out of bounds as the Golden Knights will take that ball possession. 3 minutes and 47 seconds remaining for our first quarter.
At yun nga, Jasper, we're still waiting for a good gameplay on the side of CARCIDO Motors. We would like to thank our sponsors here. We have Elavil Philippines Incorporated, Safegas, DELIGOLD Philippines, 3 Bakery, and ARCO DIEZ. Now, Abrasaldo once again for a 3-pointer here by GILMAR CASA de DESCANSO para dyan sa pangalawang 3-pointer ni Abrasaldo. Ngayon, bagong pasok para sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. But we can see his determination here to get their win para sa gabing ito. Now, Ateneo still having this lead, pero Punzalan, solong-solo dyan. And now, this is a 4-point para sa side ng CARCIDO Motors, but still a big gap against Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, Plaza for the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Mac Tripolka on the outside, well guarded here. And now, another block coming from the CARCIDO Motors. Mendones. What a block naman dyan by Mac Tripolka. Pero Punzalan, hindi papayag na hindi sila makapag-convert ng puntos on that sequence. And that forces the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights to call a timeout. Napakagandang bawi naman yung nakita natin for the CARCIDO Motors, pero lamang pa rin po dito ng 11 puntos itong ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Let's take a look at that first blood pull-up jumper. And this time, libreng-libreng Punzala naman. Now, for his second score, hatid sa atin yan ng 3N Bakery.
At ayan nga, Jasper, ito yung hinihintay natin sa side ng CARCIDO Motors. Ngayon, bago pa magtapos yung first quarter, medyo umaarangkada na din yung kanilang offense as well as the defense. But still, they need to work more because the Ateneo Golden Knights still on their gameplay here. Still nandun pa rin sila sa kanilang momentum. So ano kaya yung pinano dito ni Coach Nuki para hindi makuha ng CARCIDO Motors yung kalamangan and to maintain this big gap? At ano naman gagawin dito ni Coach Reden to redeem themselves here bago pa magtapos ang ating first quarter? Now Plaza passes on the inside para dito kay Domingo. No good. Now an opportunity again for CARCIDO Motors. Diang with this ball possession. 2 minutes and 32 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first quarter. Now Diang heavily guarded here. Passes to his teammate. But Traveling violation committed by the side of CARCIDO Motors. So it will be a turnover now.
Syempre din, traveling is more fun with Naga yon, travel and tours. Now, it's the ball possession of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights with Plaza magtatawid ngayon ng bola. Gagawa ngayon ng diskarte. Mac Trepolka, pull-up jumper. No good on that shot with Beron securing that defensive rebound. And now to Mendones. Almost losing that ball. Pero punsalan, hindi na magpapapigil. Dire-diretso na. And the last 2 minutes for our first quarter here with that ball possession of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Domingo on the mid-range. Titira na nga. No good on that shot. Pero a rejection coming from Beron. Grabe naman yung talagang pinahirapan niya doon. Itong si Abrasaldo. And now it's the ball possession of the CARCIDO Motors. Ano kayang gagawin nila dito?
And now, this is just a 9-point lead of Ateneo Golden Knights. Medyo na-stuck na sila doon. But that will be an offensive foul committed by Beron. So ito, naghahabol sila dito, but a lot of fouls was committed here. So binibigyan nila ng pagkakataon itong Ateneo Golden Knights para mas mapalaki yung kalamangan nila. So Ateneo, they need to take this advantage for their team. Now 8-17 on our scoreboard with 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining. And of course, maraming salamat din sa lahat po na nanonood sa atin ng live sa Oragon Sports TV. Shout out to Angelica Solis, Justin Barcia at kay Shaira Nicolas. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now, it's the Ateneo's Basketball Plaza. Passes to Trepolka. Now Trepolka goes inside. Ngayon, Domingo releases, no good. CARCIDO Motors on the offense. Naghahabol pa rin dito ng siyam na minute and 19. Now Punsalan for a three-pointer. Too short para sa isang yan. Now Ateneo Golden Knights still stuck on 17. Let's see here, Abrasaldo once again. No good. CARCIDO nagmamadali na dito. A fast-paced game we're seeing right now. Jersey number 10 on their side here with the ball. Biang loses. And it will stay. Or it will be on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights here. Last 50 seconds of our first quarter.
Now Plaza for the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. 45 seconds remaining. Now Mac Trepolka on the outside. Didiretso ngayon. Pull-up jumper. No good pero masasabayan siya ng foul. Dahil yan kay Diang of the CARCIDO Motors sending Mac Trepolka on the free throw line for his 2 free throws. Kaya naman din, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have, of course, Think Pro Incorporated, KD Sportswear, Market Aesthetics and Laser Clinic, TRDV and Construction Supply, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Bunny and Piggy Distributors, Nisi Rafa Drug Mart, Barely Their Shop, Skytech Advertising, Homepet, Pin Cafe, and AET Ads. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And now, Domingo, grabe naman talaga itong ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Nag-free throw natin, pumuntos pa. Now, CARCIDO Motors Mendones to Beron, back to Mendones. Let's take a look. Dahil maaagawan niya ng bola, Plaza to Domingo. Once again, Domingo for the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. 10 seconds remaining for our first quarter with Punsalan of CARCIDO Motors. At saktong-sakto nga yung pagpuntos doon ng ating CARCIDO Motors dahil ayan na ang pagtatapos ng ating first quarter. 10-21 ang ating score, 11-point lead ng Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Don't go away because we'll be right back after a short commercial break brought to you by 3N Bakery.
manonood ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi naming bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon.
And we are back for our second quarter of this matchup of CARCIDO Monarchs and ATENEO Naga University Golden Knights. And as we can see on our scoreboard, it is an 11-point lead of ATENEO Golden Knights. So it is a good start for their team, most especially Abrasaldo. Isa sa mga nag-step up during that quarter with 2 3-pointers galing sa kanya and a lot of contributions sa opensa at depensa nitong ATENEO Golden Knights. While on the other side, CARCIDO Monarchs medyo nahirapan ng konti lang dito. But we can see na talagang doon sa kalahatian ng ating first quarter, talagang umarangkada din naman itong CARCIDO Monarchs. And they're still working for that 13-point lead of ATENEO Golden Knights. So now, let's see kung dito sa second quarter, itong CARCIDO Monarchs gagawa ng paraan para mapababa yung kalamangan na ginawa ngayon ng ATENEO Golden Knights. And as we can see, Carlo Caroche with his ball passes to Manrique. Now, chooses his teammate. 2 seconds remaining. Relata ngayon at mauubusan muli ng 24-second shot clock. Itong side ng CARCIDO Monarchs. For this game, tatlong beses na po naubusan ng oras itong CARCIDO Monarchs. Binibilang natin yan dahil talagang ito yung nagiging problema ngayon ng CARCIDO Monarchs. So let's see anong gagawin nila dito para bawasan yung mga errors on their side and turnovers as well. Because right now, ATENEO Golden Knights makakakuha ng foul dyan. And now, Domingo, first team foul on the side of CARCIDO Monarchs. Domingo for his 2 free throws here. And tong CARCIDO Monarchs, ano kaya yung gagawin na pagbabago dito? Changes on their game plan ni Coach Reden dahil nung first quarter, ang sabi dito, magpo-focus sila sa depensa. But as we can see, medyo hindi umubra yung plano dito ng CARCIDO Monarchs. So para tanungin natin kung ano nga ba yung gagawin ng CARCIDO Monarchs, andyan si Casey. Hi Casey, take it away. At ayan nga, babalikan po natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Casey. And now, CARCIDO Monarchs with their ball possession, 20 seconds to shoot here. And that ball will stay sa side ng CARCIDO Monarchs with only 16 seconds. Again, the question is game plan of CARCIDO Monarchs. Casey, ano ba yun?
Ayan na nga, Jasper and Tin, mukhang nahihirapan itong ating CARCIDO Monarchs na lusutan ang depensa na ipinapakita ng ATENEO Golden Knights. It looks like they need to improve their ball rotation upang makabawi sa depensa ng kalaban. Bukod pa riyan, kailangan din nilang higpitan ang kanilang depensa lalo pat mabilis na nakakapuntos ang Golden Knights dahil sa lapses ng CARCIDO Monarchs. Mahaba pa nga ang laban and let's see kung paano babawiin ng CARCIDO Monarchs ang kalamangan ng Golden Knights. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the CARCIDO Monarchs. Napakagandang depensa naman nga yung pinapakita nila. Pero yun nga din, marami din yung kanilang lapses for the first quarter of action. So let's see kung ano yung gagawin nila dito. Sa ating second quarter of action, paano ba nila, of course, paiigtingin yung kanilang depensa as well as sa kanilang opensa para naman na maka-abante dito yung kanilang puntos. And as we can see on the side of the Golden Knights, Mona Aureliano ang magdadala ng bola pero makakaagaw naman dyan Carlo Caroche, what a connection on the side of the Golden Knights. Caroche to jersey number 15, Sabio. And that assist is brought to us by Mariano Optical. Napakagandang performance naman yun. Now this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Zai on the side of the Golden Knights. Zai, anong update natin dyan?
Eto na nga tayo, Jasper and Tin, at the beginning of the second quarter. This time, we can see some movements dito sa side ng Golden Knights. We can see them initiate the tag defense. However, they still need to work together on it and make sure that it becomes stable. Other than that, they also need to communicate with their big men properly para malaman nila kung kanino ba ang bigay. But aside from that, it seems like the favor of the scoreboard are on the Knights side. Yan muna ang updates ko dito sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. This is Zai. Balik muna sa inyo, Jasper and Tim.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan, kailangan pa rin ng communication itong Ateneo Golden Knights para dito sa ating second quarter. But as we can see, hindi pa rin nila binibitawan yung magandang momentum na nasimula nila during that first quarter. And it's good dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights dahil lahat sila gumagalaw dito. All of the players here giving their contribution for the team, giving contribution to the offense and defense ng kanilang kupunan. At dahil nga dyan sa magandang momentum na pinuild dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights, pinahihirapan nila yung CARCIDO Motors to really have a good point conversion dito sa kanilang kupunan. Now, Relata, and as we are seeing, this is the veterans na naglaro against Ateneo Golden Knights. And I think narinig ko last time itong si na Coach Nuki na kailangan nilang galingan because this is the veterans they're playing with. So kailangan as younger players of basketball, mas maliksi yung kailangan nilang ipakita. And you can see that on the side of Ateneo. But now, CARCIDO Motors still looking for a good gameplay here because as of the moment, another steal was committed sa side ng Ateneo. Dire-diretso. And jersey number 23, Remoto getting that basket. And another timeout was called sa side ng CARCIDO Motors kasi dire-diretso yung pagpuntos ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights. This is almost half of the point of Ateneo Golden Knights. And as we can see, some of the highlights dito sa ating second quarter. And Ateneo Golden Knights still showing us versatility dito sa kanilang laro. While on the other side, CARCIDO Motors, medyo kulang pa talaga yung ipinapakitang laro ngayong gabing ito. But let's see, sabi nga dito ni Casey, mahaba-haba pa po yung oras. But at this time, at this moment, they need to work on their defense dahil ito yung kulang nila. Still, nahihirapan sila doon sa kanilang defense. So after this timeout, what will happen? Will it still be on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights? Or CARCIDO Motors will work on and get the lead here before the first half ends.
Grabe, nagtuloy-tuloy na nga talagang hindi na natigilan dito yung domination nitong ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Their momentum as being in favor on the side of the Golden Knights. Napakagandang panoorin din. Now, let's see kung ano yung mga adjustments na gagawin dito ng ating CARCIDO Motors dahil ayun na nga napapadalas din yung kanilang mga errors dito. And as you can see, another turnover here for the Golden Knights coming from the CARCIDO Motors. And this time, Ateneo de Naga at tatawagan nga dito ng traveling violation itong si jersey number 23 Remoto. And of course then, traveling is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours. And this time, Relata for that baseline inbound. Now, Carlo Caroche magtatawid ngayon ng bola, well guarded here by Remoto. Now, Caroche to Manrique. Now, Punzalan, no good on that shot. Still no good on that second attempt. Pero this time, may kasabay na siyang foul 10. A good opportunity for Punzalan of the CARCIDO Motors na nagdagan yung kanilang puntos dito para naman makahabol sa kalamangan nitong ating Golden Knights.
And also the question of the supporters of CARCIDO Motors, what happened They start strong for this league, but now we're seeing medyo kulang yung pinapakita ngayon ng CARCIDO Motors, and we're looking for more because they are one of the strongest team dito sa Oragon Basketball League. And yun yung gusto nating makita ngayong gabing ito with this matchup against ATENEO Golden Knights. But this is also an advantage for ATENEO because talagang pinapakita nila na yung ATENEO, even though walang mga veterans doon sa kanilang kupunan, collegiate players lamang, pero grabe yung pinapakita nilang performance dito ngayong gabing ito. So let's see, as they still dominate this quarter, 16:32 on our scoreboard. Arellano passes to his teammate Monay. Spins and gets that basket. Hindi pa rin nawawala yung magandang momentum sa kanilang kupunan dito. So CARCIDO Motors needs to step up. Talagang sabayan yung energy and liksin ng mga players dito ng ATENEO. Relata, dire-diretso. Another steal here by Mon Arellano. Pero that's a double dribble. Lost opportunity for ATENEO. But ito yung pagkakataon ng CARCIDO Motors that this time they can get the basket here. And less than that gap na tinabaho dito ng ATENEO sa ating second quarter. We only have 4 minutes and 43 seconds remaining para dito sa ating first half.
On that last sequence, sayang yung steal ni Mon Aureliano dahil natawagan siya din ng double dribbling violation. But this time, another chance for the Golden Knights. Mon Aureliano, pinahabol pa nga si Mendones. Napakagandang performance for the Golden Knights. Now let's see, Relata maaagawan na naman, muntik na namang matuluyan doon ni Fulgar. Still no good for the CARCIDO Motors. Grabe naman yun, Tin. Sinimplihan lang ni Mon Aureliano, extending their lead to 20 big points. Actually 22. Grabe. Ibang-iba to, Tin, sa mga laro ng CARCIDO Motors. I think they are not ready for this kind of play, this kind of game. But this time, sabi ni Relata, kaya namin. And Relata scoring too on the side of the CARCIDO Motors with 3 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. No good on that shot by jersey number 23, Remoto. Now Relata once again, magtatawid na ngayon ang bola for the CARCIDO Motors. No good on that triple. And this time, foul coming from Mon Aureliano.
Now, players of ATENEO Golden Knights playing effectively inside the court here. We can see the variety of plays here, most especially sa best player, always Mon Aureliano, giving his all for his teammate now. And CARCIDO Motors, kanina pa natin sinasabi, nasa na yung nakita nating eagerness dun sa mga naunang laro dito ng CARCIDO Motors. We need to see that so we can have a good matchup against ATENEO Golden Knights. So let's see here. Mahaba-haba pa yung ating oras dito, but still the ATENEO Golden Knights hindi pa tapos sa pagsungkit ng mga bola sa side ng CARCIDO Motors. And it will be full possession of CARCIDO Motors. So yung mga opportunity ganito para dito sa CARCIDO Motors, kailangan gawa nila ng paraan. They really need to make sure na meron silang point conversion na mangyayari sa lahat ng ball possession na meron sila. Most especially now na patapos na yung ating first half dito with a big 20-point lead of ATENEO Golden Knights. So, anong gagawin ng CARCIDO dito? Diang with this ball possession at attempt. Pero wala pa rin. At this moment, malamig lahat ng mga nilalaro dito ng CARCIDO Motors. And also, hindi natin nakikita naglalaro dito si Benaobra sa side ng CARCIDO Motors. He is also one of the players that stepped up during that game against JB Horts, but now he is nowhere. So I think that's a big adjustment sa side ng CARCIDO Motors, knowing wala dito.
Grabe.
Si Benaobra.
Kinalabaw na nitong si Fulgar. Napakalakas. Akalain mo yun, Tin, 2-3 yung bantay niya, but he still managed to get that point. And this time, that will be a foul here for the CARCIDO Motors by Monay of the ATENEO Naga Golden Knights. 2 minutes and 2 seconds remaining with Domingo checking in for the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Napakagandang laro din. And for this, na nakikita natin na performance itong ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, mukhang kaya na nila din makipagsabayan dito sa ating NCF Tigers. Because as we can remember, yung last game nila against the NCF Tigers, medyo naiwan nga sila doon at nasungkit doon ng NCF Tigers yung kanilang panalo. But this time, grabe, napakagandang performance sa lahat ng players, making them a team. And as you can see here, Fulgar, Batmendones, grabe, napalakas naman doon yung pasa, resulting that ball to go out of bounds, and the ball will go on the side of the Golden Knights.
And also, yun yung importante sa kada team dito sa Oragon Basketball League. They need consistency. Talagang masasabi natin ditong bilog yung bola kasi yung mga malalakas na team biglang hindi magkakaroon ng magandang performance, and then yung mga teams at the bottom will step up again. So kailangan lang talaga nila ng consistency if they want to remain on their spot. Most especially now, nasabi mo nga Jasper, during the game of NCF and Ateneo, hindi nakuha ng Ateneo yung kanilang panalo dito. But then again, seeing this performance of Ateneo Golden Knights, they are really stepping up. This is not just a collegiate league, but this is a commercial league. Veterans yung mga kalaban nila dito, kaya talagang nilevel din nila yung kanilang performance doon sa mga marami ng experience, and that's a good thing para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights. And we can see that at our scoreboard with 22 big point lead of Ateneo Golden Knights, and we only have 53 seconds, but still they are dominating this quarter. Most especially we have Abrasaldo, Arellano, and also we have Domingo stepping up for their team here. So CARCIDO Waters needs to work more to lessen that gap of Ateneo. Now jersey number 10 releases a 3. Ito yung hinihintay natin, a big 3 coming from jersey number 10 Mendones, brought to you by GILMAR, CASA, DESCANSO. Now 22 seconds, and CARCIDO Waters, another opportunity for them to lessen that gap with this remaining seconds of our first half. 23-42. What will happen with that remaining seconds? Can CARCIDO Waters get a point here, or Ateneo again snatch that ball and end it with a bang para dito sa ating first half?
Now, Diang for the CARCIDO Waters, di diretso, pero nandyan si Baaw para tulungan siyang makuha ang puntos na iyan bago matapos ang oras, but almost a buzzer beater shot here for jersey number 10 Abrasalda of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. That's the end of our first half. 25-42 ang ating score. Don't go away because we'll be right back after a short commercial break brought to you by MNL KINGPIN, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto lagi naming bigit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo. Sa puso ng Oragon. Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi naming batid.
I'm so completely yours.
Welcome to the main event. 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 Let's go. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Welcome to the main event. Something that you won't forget. Welcome to the main event. You ain't seen nothing yet. Let's go.
It's DJ Rolling.
Son, you know why you the greatest alive. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who'da had it and he ready for anybody to buck back. Gonna catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing us. I'm coming for your man and his lady and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken Slim Shady with rabies. I'm coming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare you to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of bombing his high school, he's cool, he's not rap shit. Should a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? This that I got.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Science.
And we are here live at the Naga College Foundation covered court sa pagpapatuloy. Second half, bakbakan ng ATENEO, DELIGOLD, and of course, CARCIDO Motors. 25-42 ang ating score doon sa nagdaan na first half. And still, CARCIDO Motors struggling dito sa ating laban. ATENEO, DELIGOLD, still dominating this game. Titingnan natin kung ano yung mga magbabago din for our second half of action, lalong-lalo na doon sa nagdaang halftime break. Ano kaya yung mga plinano dito ng ating CARCIDO Motors para makabawi on the side of their team? And of course, as we can see, CARCIDO Motors is scoring for our second half.
And now, CARCIDO Motors with this ball possession. At this moment, ano kaya yung binago nila sa game plan nila to really get it para mabawasan yung kalamangang pinagtrabahuhan dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights. Now Relate passes to his teammate. Still no good here, but an offensive rebound. Pero whistled foul para doon. And now, as we can see, one of the players of Ateneo is now down 25-44 on our scoreboard. Doon sa last na itawag ng mga referees, it is offensive foul. But officials will check on that last sequence. So let's still wait for the confirmation on what happened on that last sequence. Pero bago ang lahat, Jasper, of course, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors ngayong gabi pong ito. We have Chicken Run, Chef Buster Cuisine, Pearl Aesthetic Wellness, and Beauty Center Naga, ARCO BICOL Buildup, Anjana Trading, Surge Fitness Lifestyle, at Angel's Pizza. Maraming salamat po. At meron po tayo. Salamat din sa Lemon Zone, Claypot Restaurant and Cafe, Superb Cuts and Soul, Katie Sportswear, Think Pro Incorporated, Crown Park, Skytech Advertising, Homepet, Pin Cafe, AET Ads, Taylor Swift, Laod Seruma, Crown Hotel, Glass House Beach Resort, Lama Residences, Tigers Cafe, Nisi Rapid Drug Mart, Tan Dental Clinic, Barely Their Shop, VDC Massage and Spa, Nixie Shop, Mangkok's Kinalas, Mary's Coffee, Machichchu Boneless Fried Chicken, HARDSHED Hardware and Construction Supplies, NOLCAST Construction and Supply, BICOL Concrete Hollow Blocks, Bunny and Piggy Distributors, Tigers Cafe, Naga and Travel and Tours, at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa napakadami nating sponsors and of course sa lahat po ng sumusuporta ng Oragon Basketball League. And ito ang matchup na to ng Ateneo and CARCIDO Motors. Hindi natin inasahan na ganito yung magiging laro nitong ating dalawang kupunan. This is a revelation sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights. We know na maganda yung naging performance dito ng Ateneo. But now, matching up with CARCIDO Motors, talagang yung mga fans dito inakala na magkakaroon ng intense matchup. But Ateneo lumagpas doon sa expectation ng kanilang mga fans because looking at our scoreboard, 25-44, a very big gap na ginawa ngayon ng Ateneo Golden Knights and CARCIDO Motors still finding a spot here, an opportunity to lessen that gap that Ateneo worked on during that first half of this matchup. But let's see as we still continue this matchup and still our officials still having a conversation here on what happened on that last sequence. So let's wait kung ano nga bang itatawag nila dito. And now 8 minutes and 54. Now let's take a look at it again on what really happened here. Ngayon, natawagan nga si jersey number 34 ng offensive foul.
It will be jersey number 8, Beron of the CARCIDO Motors, and number 14 of the Golden Knights, Monay, matatawagan dito ng double unsportsmanlike foul.
And now as we continue our ball game here, can Ateneo maintain their good momentum here? Now to the Polka passes to Fulgar. The Fulgar releases, no good. Now an opportunity for CARCIDO. Pero whistled foul there. Tatawagan dito ng foul si Beron. Ito na yung kanyang fourth personal foul. So isang foul na lang para dito kay Beron. Malaking kawalan para sa CARCIDO Motors, most especially at this moment na naghahabol sila dito. But Ateneo Golden Knights still hanging for our third quarter. Still looking good here with this big gap against CARCIDO. And to hear an update sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights, ano pa yung ipapakita nilang magandang game plan dito to really get this win this evening. And to hear that, we have Zai.
Jasper Antin, here we are on the third quarter. Nagkaroon nga ng mga review a few minutes ago kasi mayroon clarifications from the side of the referees. But kahit ganon, the Knights are getting better and better nga sa kanilang gameplay sa loob ng court. But so does the CARCIDO. In that case, kailangan nilang tapatan ang energy ng bawat isa. Kaya naman, Jasper Antin, pakiramdam ko, nakasakay ako sa roller coaster. Kasi ang daming pwede mangyari during the last, or should I say, the second to the last quarter of this game. But anyways, madami pa pwede mangyari, kaya I'll just be back for more updates a few minutes later. Kaya Jasper Antin, balik muna sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayun nga, yung ating Ateneo talagang they are really doing their best here para sa larong ito against CARCIDO Motors, and still looking good para sa side ng Ateneo. And now CARCIDO Motors still hanging also, pero naagawan muli dito by Monay. Now passes to Tripulca now. Anong gagawin dito ng Ateneo for another point conversion? No good. Relata with that rebound. CARCIDO Motors naghahanap pa rin dito ng butas sa side ng Ateneo para malusutan yung malaking kalamangan na kanilang hinahabol ngayon dito. 7 minutes and 17 seconds para dito sa ating third quarter. Now, Punzalan releases, no good. And that ball will go on to the side of Ateneo Golden Knights. So now, kung kanina, depensa yung kailangang pagtrabahuan dito ng CARCIDO Motors, ginawa din naman nila, but still Ateneo hindi nagpaawat dito. So now, ano yung gagawin for the third time of CARCIDO Motors to lessen this big gap of Ateneo? And to know more updates, andyan si Casey. Hi Casey, anong balik side ng CARCIDO Motors? At yan nga po, babalikan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Casey. Now, 25-47 on our scoreboard. And still, CARCIDO Motors, hindi muna natin nakikita yung magagandang connection ng mga players dito ng CARCIDO Motors. Ito yung gustong-gusto nating makita ngayon sa matchup nila against Ateneo. But let's see here, Punzalan heavily guarded by Tripulca. Na passes to his teammate with 9 seconds to shoot here. Tries for a three-pointer. Again, andyan si Mendones for that three-point shot coming from Mendones, brought to you by GILMAR, CASA, the DESCANSO. Now po unti-unting binibitawan ng CARCIDO Motors yung kanilang outside shooting dito. And to hear an update, mukhang okay na ating courtside reporter. Hi Casey, take it away.
And still, babalikan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Casey on the side of the CARCIDO Motors. And this time, CARCIDO ngayon ang oopensa. Let's take a look at this. Diang will be fighting for three, but no good on that shot. And now CARCIDO pa rin after that steal by Diang. And jersey number 18 to Punzalan. What a connection here on the side of the CARCIDO Motors. Napakagandang connection at napakagandang conversion of points naman dito. Now, as you can see, Monay libreng-libre on the outside, but no good on that triple. Now, CARCIDO Motors, Mendones magtatawid ngayon ng bola with that screen by Baao. Mendones, no good on that triple and out of bounds as the Golden Knights will take that ball possession. 5 minutes and 17 seconds remaining. And now, Plaza. Now, Fulgar on the mid-range. No good on that three-point attempt by Plaza. And this time, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter Casey on the side of the CARCIDO Motors. Casey, take it away.
Tin and Jasper, as I was saying, CARCIDO Motors are looking forward to bounce back stronger for this half matapos matambakan during the previous quarters. Marami silang kailangang i-improve for this quarter at ito na nga ang magiging chance nila na makabawi sa kalamangan ng Golden Knights. Mahaba pa ang laban, kailangan nilang magdoble kayod to turn the tide in their favor. That's it for now. Ana.
Thank you so much, Casey. Ayan, bounce back yung hinahanap dito ng CARCIDO Motors kasi still at this moment, it is 21 points ng Ateneo Golden Knights at dadagdagan pa ni Plaza ng 2 puntos dito. So it is a 23-point lead of Ateneo Golden Knights dahil kailangan na nilang habol Meron na lamang tayo 4 minutes and 17 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter and another 10 minutes on that last quarter. But as we can see right now, nahihirapan pa rin sila dito to convert a point here. But that's a basket count para kay Bao with a foul. So 3-point opportunity for him. Now let's take a look at it again. And that instant replay is brought to you by Anjana Trading and Safe Gas Station. And now Bao for his free throw for a 3-point opportunity here. 32-3, making it just a 20-point lead again. There's still a big gap by Ateneo. And as we are looking forward here, players of Ateneo contributing good here. Abrasado once again for a 3-pointer. Brought to you by CASA, or brought to you by GILMAR, CASA, DESCANSO. Etong si Abrasado during that first half, ito talaga, nagpaulan na siya ng 3 and up until now, andun pa rin yung mainit na kamay ni Abrasado. Still looking now, once again, Abrasado passes to Plaza. Now, Plaza again with this ball with 14 seconds remaining. Remoto to Abrasado. Goes inside, passes to Fulgar, heavily guarded here. Fulgar with 5 seconds to shoot here. Plaza, gagawa na para, still no good defensive rebound. And CARCIDO Motors getting that ball. 3 minutes and 22. Another steal coming from Ateneo. It will stay on the side of Ateneo Golden Knights here.
Now, Abrasado for that sideline inbound. Ano kayang gagawin nila dito? 3 minutes and 14 seconds remaining. 33-56 is still a big gap here. Kailangang habulin ng CARCIDO Motors. Abrasado. Now, Fulgar. Diretso Fulgar to Plaza. In and out ball on that shot by Plaza and Abrasado. Sabi niya, hindi tayo papayag na hindi tayo makakapag-convert ng points. And that is 2 points for the Golden Knights. And now, another steal by the Golden Knights, but CARCIDO Motors still managed to get that ball. Now, Fulgar. Grabe. Making the Golden Knights unstoppable for our third quarter of action. Grabe, 27 big points yung lamang dito ng ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Still, grabe yung pag-dominate nila dito din ng ating hardcourt. Talagang bira kung bira on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Still, struggling CARCIDO Motors from our first quarter up until dito sa ating third quarter. And that forces Coach Reden Carillo of the CARCIDO Motors to call a timeout. Kitang-kita natin din yung paghirap ng ating CARCIDO Motors from the first quarter up until the third quarter. And on the side naman of the Golden Knights, habang pinapahirapan nila yung CARCIDO Motors na makabawi, talagang sinisecure na nila yung pangatlong panalo nila for Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1. And nakikita naman natin yung effort ng bawat player on the side of the Golden Knights. And also, for the CARCIDO Motors na ayun na nga, makabawi yung talagang goal nila dito.
And also, this is the biggest gap that Ateneo, 29-point lead, napakalaki nung tinrabaho nila dito. Sino mag-aakala na yung magiging laban ng CARCIDO and Ateneo would be this big? Most especially sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights, they really prepared for this game. Veterans yung mga kalaban nila, of course. So they prepared twice para sa laban ito. Now, CARCIDO Motors with this remaining 2 minutes of our third quarter. Still, we can see sign of improvement. Andun pa rin sila sa same na pinakita nila during the first half of the game. So they need to step up their game here because Ateneo hindi papaatras para sa laban na ito. Now, jersey number 10 now with the ball, 8 seconds. Down to 5. Diang, heavily guarded here. No good. Laging nauubusan dito, laging kulang yung oras dito ng CARCIDO Motors dahil mas pinaigting ng ATENEO Golden Knights yung kanilang depensa dito. Now, Abrasado once again, this time hindi na naipasok yung kanyang 3-point attempt. Now, nagkakaagawan dito, CARCIDO Motors with this ball possession, no good. Now, jersey number 21, but a steal coming from Diang. Ngayon, nagmamadali na itong dalawang kupunan na to, most especially the CARCIDO. And even outside shooting, wala para dito sa kanilang kupunan. And they still find it hard to convert a point here. Now, ano yung kailangan? Ano yung kulang sa side ng CARCIDO Motors? Because we've seen same faces here. We have Relata, Joseph Caroche, Carlo Caroche, stepping up for the team on their last games. But now, mukhang hindi natin nakita yung eagerness dito ng mga players ng CARCIDO Motors. Not the same as ATENEO, but a traveling violation called here sa side ng ATENEO Golden Knights. So this turnovers should be given na opportunity, open opportunity for CARCIDO Motors.
49 seconds remaining for our third quarter of action. And still, hirap na hirap itong ating CARCIDO Motors na makabawi. And as we can see, Mendones on the outside will be fighting for 3. No good on that shot. And now, Golden Knights Plaza, grabe, libreng-libre. Napakagandang layup. Fast break opportunity. And this time, still Mendones. 23 seconds. No good pa rin on the triple. And
No.
Golden Knights, Abrasaldo to jersey number 23. Grabe, napakagandang action on the side of the Golden Knights. Still, hirap na hirap itong ating CARCIDO Motors. 33-64, 31 big points yung lamang nitong ating Golden Knights with 4 seconds on the game clock. Grabe, pati yung 4 seconds hindi nila pinalampas. And that's the end of our third quarter. 32 big points yung lamang dito ng ating 31 big points yung lamang dito ng ating ATENEO de Naga Golden Knights. Don't go away because we'll be right back for the fourth and final quarter of action only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi nating bigit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo.
And we are back for the fourth and last quarter of this matchup of CARCIDO Motors and ATENEO Golden Knights. And as we can see, still on top itong ATENEO Golden Knights with this almost half of their score here, 64-33. So this is a big game for ATENEO Golden Knights. So this is the last opportunity for CARCIDO Motors to showcase their skills right now. Dahil kitang-kita natin, unang basket para dito sa quarter na to, nandoon na naman sa side ng ATENEO Golden Knights. And still, hindi bumaba yung performance na pinakita dito ng ATENEO. And still yet, they are enjoying this matchup against CARCIDO. Nag-enjoy lang sila dito. Now, that's a 4 straight points coming from ATENEO sa pagpasok ng ating fourth quarter. So, let's see here. Sino mag-step up for CARCIDO Motors to change their momentum here? Now, jersey number 34 inside. Tatawagan dito ng foul.
That will be Abrasalda of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights, sending Baao on the free throw line for 2 free throws because of that shooting foul committed by Abrasaldo. And that first attempt by Baao was good. And this is a good opportunity sa kanila din dahil nababawasan yung kanilang lamang dito na kailangang habulin. And as we can see, Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights on the offense. Abrasaldo, grabe. A clean 3, nothing but the net. At din sa atin yan ng GILMAR CASA de DESCANSO. Binawi niya agad yung shooting foul niya. From committing a shooting foul to making a 3 points. Now Plaza, masasabayin nga dyan ni Relata. Carlo Caroche to Baao. What a good connection naman and a good opportunity here for the CARCIDO Motors. Kung i-maintain lang nila yan din yung ganyang klaseng play, they will have this bawi or the change of favor dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Now Relata on the outside. Now Punzalan, no good on that shot. And the Golden Knights on the offense. Domingo with that pull-up jumper. Grabe. Salitan lang ng puntos itong ating CARCIDO Motors and the Golden Knights. Pero mas mahigpit din yung depensa itong ating Golden Knights as we can see.
And now, as we are seeing right now, CARCIDO Motors paunti-unti mang binabawasan yung kanilang kalamangan, but still the Ateneo hindi din nagpapa-awat sa pagpuntos dito. So now for this last quarter, Casey, ano nga ba yung preparasyon dito ng CARCIDO Motors? Meron bang pag-asa na maihabol yan? Casey, take it away.
Jasper and Tin, we are now on the final stretch of this game at kailangan na talagang magdoble kayod o kaya naman ay mag-triple kayod pa ng CARCIDO Motors upang mahabol ang kalamangan ng Golden Knights. Kagaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, this game will be the ultimate test of who can rise above the challenge and the team needs to step up if they are really determined to win this game. Abangan nga natin kung sino ang aangat sa labanang ito na malalaman natin maya-maya lamang, kaya manatiling nakatutok dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Jasper and Tin.
Thank you so much, Casey, on that update from the side of the CARCIDO Motors. Ayun na nga at kitang-kita naman natin yung laki ng kalamangan tin dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. And still, hirap na hirap makabawi itong ating CARCIDO Motors. Nagsusuot na nga sila sa upuan. Grabe ang higpit. Ayaw palusutin nitong ating Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Itong ating CARCIDO Motors. 6 minutes and 38 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter. Now let's see here, napit naman on the side of the Ateneo de Naga Golden Knights. Nandiyan na ang ating courtside reporter na si Zai to give us an update. Zai, take it away.
Maraming salamat, Jasper and Tin. The Golden Knights are trying to make connections happen sa loob ng court. Inaayos din nila ang kanya-kanyang position ng players. And Coach also mentioned kanina na they're trying to make this game count since it feels like they've been lacking during their past few games dito sa Oragon Basketball League. But nevertheless, the gap between the score is definitely big. So Jasper and Tim, it seems like Coach Nuki, this game is more than just winning but also analyzing and planning the game properly. They are trying to do their best furthermore kahit na this will be the last quarter. So balik muna sa inyo, Jasper and Tim.
Thank you so much, Zai. A very good and positive mindset of Ateneo Golden Knights that even though they have a very big up, a comfortable one against CARCIDO Motors, they are still looking forward to a good connection between the players and also they are working more on their game plan here. Of course, Coach Nuki stated here that this is more than just a game. This is also analyzing their game plan for their next games, and that's a good thing para dito sa Ateneo Golden Knights. And we've seen this instant replay brought to you by Anjana Trading and Safe Gasoline. And of course now, let's see if this will continue because we're almost halfway through our fourth quarter. It's still a very big gap of Ateneo Golden Knights, and still walang minuto na nagpabaya itong Ateneo Golden Knights. From the defense to offense, great connection of the players here. We've seen it all para sa larong ito ng Ateneo Golden Knights, and they still continue to show us what Ateneo can do at this moment. So, CARCIDO Motors, talagang napalaban sa magandang mindset and momentum ng Ateneo Golden Knights. And yan, Jasper, 41-75 on our scoreboard. Ito na ata dun sa mga laban ng CARCIDO Motors. Ito na ata yung malaking kalamangan ng kanilang kalaban against them. So, malaki yung pagbabago dito ng CARCIDO Motors. So, let's see if anong gagawin dito ng CARCIDO Motors to lessen that gap, knowing that we are just a few minutes before we end this game against Ateneo Golden Knights.
Now, jersey number 23. Now to jersey number 9, Puerta. No good on the triple. And now it's the CARCIDO Motors. Relata. Grabe. Still, grabe yung effort nitong si Ponzalan on the side of the CARCIDO Motors. Talagang commendable naman talaga yung kanyang performance dun sa kanyang pinakita on the side of the CARCIDO Motors. And that's good for jersey number 8, Aries of the Golden Knights. Now, CARCIDO, Caroche. Matatawagan dyan ng foul. Jersey number 21, Bongala. Nakikita natin din yung mga players kadalasan na naglalaro na ngayon for the Golden Knights is yung mga bibihira nating makita. Itong si Bongala, Puerta, and Orius. Well, magagaling na players but bihirang ipasok nitong si Coach Nuki of the Golden Knights. But and still, as we can see, Caroche standing on the free throw line for his 2 free throws.
But still, these players of Ateneo Golden Knights deliver a good performance here. Bihira man makita, pero kapag nakita naman talagang grabe kung magbigay ng magandang performance sa kanilang kupunan. And with this 4-minute mark of this matchup, 45-77 on our scoreboard, it will be hard for CARCIDO Motors para habulin pa to. And now, medyo nagkakainatan na din dito between the players of Ateneo and CARCIDO Motors. Monay nga yung tatawagan dito ng offensive foul, so it will be the ball possession of CARCIDO Motors. And as I was talking about CARCIDO Motors, mahihirapan ditong humabol sa Ateneo Golden Knights because as of this moment, hindi pa rin nagpapabaya itong Ateneo. Patuloy-tuloy lang sila sa pagbigay ng magandang momentum dito. Yung kanilang mga turnovers. And tatawagan nga dito ng unsportsmanlike foul. Itong si jersey number 14.
That will be Monay. Grabe, kanina yung itinawag dito kay Monay is just a warning, but this time matatawagan na dyan ng unsportsmanlike foul itong si Monay towards Beron. And to make sure yung replay na yon, I mean to make sure yung call doon ng ating officials, we will be having a review here kung ano talaga yung nangyari on that last sequence. Pero yung last call nitong ating officials, that will be a or an unsportsmanlike foul for Monay of the Golden Knights. So titingnan natin because we have here officials para i-secure yung review dito nung ating Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights. 3 minutes and 42 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter. Very, very big gap for the CARCIDO Motors, lalong-lalo na yung oras natin is very limited na lamang for our fourth and final quarter. So, at least bawasan nila yung kalamangan na nagawa nitong ating Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights din.
And also, ang daming natutunan dito ngayon, of course, ng CARCIDO Motors sa laban na to against Ateneo Golden Knights. As well as itong Golden Knights din support ng CARCIDO Motors. Isang magandang laban yung talagang nilaban dito ng Ateneo. So now, ordinary foul nga po yung itatawag ito kay Monay ng Ateneo Golden Knights. 3 minutes and 2 seconds, 45-77. And Beron now will be on that free throw line, and just like what we've said earlier, it will be hard for CARCIDO Motors to snatch this win or even get close to the point of Ateneo Golden Knights, knowing from the very start, first quarter, the Ateneo showcased their good momentum here, their good performance. So parang mahirap nang putulin yung magandang nasimulan dito ng Ateneo Golden Knights because napakaliksi nito mga players nila. But let's see what will happen on this last few minutes of this matchup. CARCIDO Motors still playing here. Relata goes inside and the whistled foul there. Ito yung talagang ginagawa ngayon ng CARCIDO Motors. Even free throws kailangan nila dito. And Relata now on that free throw line for 2 shots here. That's a 30-point lead of Ateneo Golden Knights. So, good performance coming from their team. Di natin inaasahan na magiging ganito kalaki yung kalamangan na magagawa dito ng Ateneo. And it's a good thing for their team knowing that they really want to get this win. At mukhang nararamdaman na nila yung kanilang pangatlong panalo ngayong gabing ito. Because that's a comfortable lead out there. 48-77 now CARCIDO Motors.
Alright, so let's see dahil mukhang nagkakaroon na naman tayo dito ng konting diskusyon on the side of the Golden Knights. Ayan, at may natawagan nga tayo dito din ng warning for technical foul for unsportsmanlike behavior for both of these teams.
Yes, it is Bao, jersey number 34 for CARCIDO Motors, and jersey number 26, Valle, para sa Ateneo. Now, let's see here. Ateneo on the offense. Valle goes inside, spin, and the foul. So he'll be on that free throw line. Now, let's take a look at it again. Nakipagsabayan doon sa mga veterano ng CARCIDO Motors. So, Ateneo now on the penalty here. Valle, 2 free throws will be given to him. And also, Jasper, pasalamatan lang din natin ang ating mga sponsors dito. Elavil Philippines Incorporated, Safegas, DELIGOLD Philippines, Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated, MNL KINGPIN, MARIANO OPTICAL, Market Aesthetics and Laser Clinic, 3N Bakery, TRDV and Construction Supply, GILMAR, CASA, DESCANSO, ARCO, DIEZ, Naga and Travel and Tours, at MACHICHU, boneless fried chicken.
Now, CARCIDO Motors Relata, what a connection here to Baao. 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining, and that assist is brought to us by Mariano Optical. Grabe. Still, magandang performance naman na ngayon yung ginagawa nitong ating CARCIDO Motors. Well, kung kanina siguro nila to na pinagpatuloy, or I mean, ito yung ginawa nila kanina and then pinagpatuloy nila up until dito sa ating fourth and final quarter. Well, at least makakadikit sila dun sa puntos na nagawa nitong ating Ateneo Dinaga Golden Knights, because now it's 41 big points. Babawasan naman yan ang dalawa ni Caroche, and that will be 39.
52-81 on our scoreboard. And a minute and 53 seconds remaining dito. Ngayon, sa mga natitirang minuto o segundo ng laban na ito, ano yung gagawin ng ating dalawang kupunan para makuha yung panalo ngayon? Most especially sa side ng Ateneo Golden Knights, kasi konti na lang and they will get their third win this evening at 33-point lead nga yung kanilang hawak dito, pero at the same time, CARCIDO Motors talagang pumupuntos pa rin. Pero, just like what we've said earlier, as ATENEO continue to dominate this game, CARCIDO Motors, hinihintay na lang nila yung huling buzzer dito ng officials as we are getting on the end of this match-up. Now, Relata stops for a three-pointer. That's a two-pointer for Relata. 56-85. Now the last 43 seconds of this game. And Ateneo, grabe yung tinabaho nila dito from the very start. Maganda talaga na kapag naumpisahan mo ng maganda, magtatapos ng maganda. Pero bihira lang yan. They just need consistency on their game here. Now Relata, siya talaga yung lumalaban up until for CARCIDO Motors. But with this 20 seconds, we're just waiting for the final buzzer. And we can announce that Ateneo Golden Knights gets their third win for Oragon Basketball League Elavil Cup Season 1, ending it 56-85. What a good game coming from Ateneo Golden Knights. At sa ating pagbabalik, it will be our best player of the game. Sino yung nag-step up sa side ng Ateneo para makuha ang kanilang ikatlong panalo? Magbabalik po kami only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto, lagi naming bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Ngunit sa dulo, nagwawagi ang prinsipyo. Kahit anong hamon, kami ay tumatayo sa puso ng Oragon. Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Hindi sumusuko kahit saan mapunta, pagkaisa ang aming sandata. Kampeon ng Oragon, walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto, lagi naming bitbit. Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kampeon ng Oragon. Ang lakas sa puso at isip, kapatiran at respeto, lagi naming bitbit.
Ano, maurad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon! Ano, maorad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Walang makatatalo sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ng Oragon. Sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto lagi naming bitbit. Sa bawat tagumpay, may hirap at sakripisyo. Oragon kami, handa sa laban, lakas at tapang sa bawat galawan. Kampeon ng Oragon, sa puso at isip, kapatiran, at respeto laging nating bitbit.
Ano, maorad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
Ladies and gentlemen, our best player of the game is none other than jersey number 13, Rodney Fulgar, with 13 big points, 7 rebounds, 5 assists, and 3 steals. Atid sa atin yan ng the Naga College Foundation, home of the champions, Lip into the future. Sir, congratulations po sa pagkapanalo nyo this time. ATENEO Naga Golden Knights having this 3 wins and 2 losses. Ngayon, maitanong ko lang po na since this is your first time na maging best player of the game for the ATENEO Naga Golden Knights, how did you pull off yourself for this win?
Nag-prepare lang kami as a team. And sabi ko, gagawin ko lang yung role ko sa team. Magdi-depensa lang ko. Kaya hindi ko inaasahan na magbe-best player ako kasi sa depensa lang kasi ako nag-focus.
Alright, so nakita naman namin yun, sir. And this time, gusto naming malaman yung naging mindset ng ATENEO Naga Golden Knights dahil nakita naman natin na napakalaking gap yung ginawa nyo against the CARCIDO Motors for OBL.
Siguro yung naging advantage namin doon yung sa age gap, mas bata kami kaya mas mabilis kami, tsaka kulang sila sa player kaya yun, dinominate namin yung laro kaya ganyan yung resulta. Kaya sabi namin hanggat hindi tapos yung oras, laro lang kami ng laro para hindi kami magsisisi kapag tumunog na yung buzzer. Yun lang.
Alright, so now I am giving you the floor to shout out sa lahat na po ng sumuporta for the ATENEO Naga Golden Knights.
Una, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord na binigyan ako ng lakas ng araw. At saka sa family ko dyan sa Sorsogon, si mama ko, sa papa ko, and sa kuya ko, and sa girlfriend ko dyan sa mga kasama ko dyan sa dorm, mga dormers. Shout out sa inyo. And nagpapasalamat din ako sa ATENEO community sa walang sawang suporta sa amin. And dyan sa mga kaibigan ko dyan sa Poblacion Norte, kay Tito Larry, kay Kuya Emerson, sa mga gubat, sa mga pinsan ko dyan sa Bintuko, kay Kuya Janjan, shout out. Yan lang po.
At dahil ikaw ang ating best player of the game, you will receive our Oragon Basketball League Special Edition Best Player mug, and of course, a voucher from Mary's Cafe, owned and managed by Miss Kylie Tripulca, and of course, located at Grajeda Building, Barlin Street, Naga City. So this is for you, sir, for being the best player of the game for this game. And of course, congratulations once again.
Salamat po.
Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon. Kampeon ang Oragon, walang makatatalo. Sa laro ng buhay, kami panalo. Kampeon ang Oragon.
And that's our best player of the game, jersey number 13 from the ATENEO side. It is Rodney Fulgar. What a good performance we've seen this evening sa side ng ATENEO Golden Knights. Kaya naman aabangan pa natin yung mga susunod nilang laban. And of course, Jasper, it will be our final game this Saturday. It is Naga College Foundation Tigers versus USI Falcons. Still your commentators, I am Christina Cancer-Reyes.
And of course, I am Jasper Abante. Maraming salamat din sa ating courtside girlies na nakasama. We have Zai and KZ on the courtside. Maraming salamat po. I am Jasper Abante and this is Oragon Basketball League live here at GNN TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon!